Currently this car is on eBay. It's a Scalextric MMC 54 Lotus 16 in yellow. I would buy it just for the steering wheel and mirrors. This is the price you could expect to pay for them when I first started getting these. Eventually they worked up £55 or more, up to £85 for one of these cars. Back then though, it was only £5.45 for shipping to Australia, so the shipping's gone up a lot. It's hard to find somebody that actually sends it themselves rather than use the eBay GSP, which is a total rip-off. This has a few bidders on it. I don't think I'll bother. I'll have a look and see what happens, but the only reason I'd want it is to pull it all to pieces and grab the steering wheel mirror assembly. So but you used to be able to get them just for the £12, I think, was the cheapest I paid for one back when I just was buying for parts, because I buy these English ones just for parts to repair the Australian cars that I get. So it was started at a very reasonable price. It'll be interesting to see how high it goes. I haven't bought these for quite a while, except for recently I have purchased a couple. This is the latest Triang Scalextric MMC 54 Lotus 16 that I've purchased. Once again, to get the steering wheel mirror assembly. This one actually has a set of MMC 57 Aston Martin wheels, which is excellent. Unfortunately, I don't have axles, but I will be able to modify axles. Now I'll have a set of wheels and I can restore another Aston Martin that hasn't been able to be looked at because I didn't have wheels or axles. This is the purchase prior to the one we've just seen. This one's very good to get because it has the tool rear tyres. Which are very hard to find now. A perfect steering wheel mirror assembly. So that too will be destroyed just to get the parts that I want for the Australian cars. So I've been lucky. There's 4 yellow cars I've been able to acquire recently for my spare parts bag. It's taken a while because I haven't bought any for years because I drove the price right up. I purchased 30 consecutive cars, every one that had a spot on steering wheel with the 2 mirrors in yellow I purchased, and about 30, and the price just went up astronomically because I was denying people the ability to get a good car for quite a while. So for even longer I haven't bought any, but I can get some spares and I can work on some of these cars that need to be fixed.